allowing tap water run through it. Just squeeze off most of that water. So we have our foundation, matte foundation. This is called, and then some little bit of foundation, just that. So when using matte foundation, you want to make sure that your face is properly moisturized. You use your favorite lotion or cream or something, because most matte foundations tend to dry skin. Remember, our blender is moist. So this is going to blend so well, giving a more seamless, natural look. Light, seamless, natural look. Wow, I've used less foundation. I still have more left, and it seems we are done. It takes very short while. It saves a lot of time, and oof, so you don't see any patches. It's so seamless, so light and natural looking, like makeup, no makeup,